Welcome and introducing House of Beauty's Face Sculpt Pro, a device which is already creating waves all over the world. Has 7 light modes with different wavelengths, vibration and microcurrenting. The microcurrents actually increase with the lights. For example, when you're looking at red light for collagen boosting, the microcurrent level is at its lowest. With green light, it increases and so on. It is maximum when we look at white or cyan light. To use this device, yes, you can hear the vibration. We give you a tube of House of Beauty's aloe vera gel. You will apply a thick layer of the gel all the way across your face like this. Each day you could actually use a different light and a different mode. Use it either for 2 to 3 minutes every day or 15 minutes 3 times a week. I'm using the maximum microcurrent mode right now and then going slightly upwards, lifting any droopy lips. This is very strong. So if you're pro, only then start with this mode. Gently go all the way to your earlobe and relax. Let's now start with the red mode to show you the difference. You see, this is much milder, and if you are a beginner, then this will typically help you, whether it's dark circles, whether it's puffiness or those malar lines that come under the eye. You will use it in a semicircle format like this. Go all the way across. Lift your droopy lip, go across your cheek in a semicircle, under the eye, till your temple. You can also use it from under, targeting your dark circles and malar lines. You can then increase the green light mode and go across your cheek. Green light basically is for uneven skin tone correction. So if you have pigmentation, acne marks, or old brown spots, age spots, this will help correct that. You see how my cheek is pulsing? This is because this is a little increased in intensity. Now, if I go for the blue light, let's assume you have active acne along your forehead, jawline. You will then use it in a circular manner across your active acne very, very gently, and the tool will do everything that it is supposed to. This works with aloe vera gel, so if you have acne, you're still safe. Now we will go across. I'm changing the lights to show you all of the benefits, but you can actually use any singular light all over your face. Let me repeat all of the steps for you now. Let's start with double chin or jaw toning. We'll go under the jawline like this, our jowl region, the back of our ear, and then downward for lymphatic drainage. If we're going across our neck, we will go down all the way, center to back, center to back, center to back. We will then go flattening the device along zone 1 or our jawline to cheek region 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. From here, we will lift droopy lips. Hold here for 1, 2, 3, 4. And then go till our mid-ear. From here, we will go across our nasolabial line, lifting the cheek all the way till our temple. Repeat this 6 times. All steps are to be repeated anywhere between 3, 6, 8 counts. Now we will place it under the eye in a semicircle, going till our temple. You can also lift droopy eyebrows with this in an S movement till your temple 3, 6 or 8 times. From below the eyebrow, you will go all the way up, massaging the stone very gently. You will deep up your nose, going from down to up, all the way across your nose cartilage, and then lifting the tip of your nose very gently. If you have smoker lines or lines across, you will mum your lips like this and use it in a semicircle. One last lift and you're done. A pro tip here, you could actually use this for anti-aging of your hands as well. You could use this for anti-aging of your hands as well. Spread the aloe vera gel all the way across your hands and then use the same device in circles or straight lines to tighten and hydrate for your hand health as well. Let's answer some FAQs on the Face Sculpt Pro Mini. Does it twitch? Well, yes, depending on the light and the level. The level actually keeps changing on its own with the light. For example, the white light has the maximum level. Does it make your eye twitch? Yes, when you apply the gel. Without the gel, you're only enjoying the light and gentle vibrations, but the microcurrenting mode does not get activated. You need the activator gel. This is House of Beauty India's aloe vera gel. You could use any aloe vera gel, but ours is super pure and really nice. So you must give it a try. The other FAQ is it painful? No, it's not painful at all. I have done Botox or fillers. Can I use this? Yes, you can. There is no problem if you've done Botox, fillers, hypo, or even Morpheus 8. I have acne all over my face. Can I still use it? Yes. In fact, the blue light mode is for acne reduction. I have pigmentation. How can I use it? You can use this with a derma roller, pigmentation, skincare, and this light so that your face lifting and skin both are now healthy. I have puffiness. Well, this is the best device for puffiness with the purple attachment because purple light is great for lymphatic reduction and the microcurrent is going to break that stubborn lymphatic fluid. Just remember to drain it out. I hope this device was easy. Each light has a different utility. You could read up all of the details on the screen or in caption. Happy pampering.